Hi, my name is Benedict Grubner, and today I will be reviewing the Streamlight Wedge XT Pocket Light for professional tool and equipment news. Let's get right into it. The flashlight comes in a plastic carton with a USB-C cable, an instruction manual, and a Streamlight sticker. The light has just one button, which is the operation switch on the tail end. Thick and solidly built pocket clip on the side, a USB-C charging port on the opposite side, and a short Streamlight lanyard. The flashlight doesn't come with the label on it. I just put a label with my name on it to prevent this light from getting mixed up in my workplace. The light measures 4 1/4 inches long and weighs in at about 2.5 ounces. To put that into perspective, this Coast G20 pocket light with two AAA alkaline batteries weighs in at about 2.2 ounces. This light has two modes, low, which is 50 lumens, and high, which is 500 lumens. I programmed this light using the 10 tab feature so that it starts off on low and then switches to high. That's just my personal preference. So basically, to switch the light to high, I have to press the tail cap switch twice really quickly. This light also has a lockout feature to prevent accidentally turning on the light when it's not being used. For instance, when it's just in your pocket. To turn on that feature, you have to press the tail switch 4 times and then hold it down on your 5th time. So I'll do it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The light will flash, indicating that the mode switched, and it'll shut off. Now when I try to turn on the light by hitting that tail switch, I get that red flash of that LED indicating that it's locked out and won't turn on. To get it out of lock mode, you basically have to do the same thing all over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now it's back and unlocked, and you saw that green LED at the end there. I have 2 possible areas of improvement for this pocket light, one of them being an integrated dust cover for the USB-C charging port. Many flashlights at this price point come standard with that feature, and I find that to be advantageous in keeping dirt and other contaminants out of the charging port and eventually tampering with the charging ability of the light. Another possible area of improvement for this flashlight would be the 5-tap lockout feature, maybe requiring fewer taps to actuate it, or even a mechanical switch to lock off the power button. That being said, I still believe this is an excellent feature for a flashlight like this.